let's talk about hardware, right? I give you an example. So here is the slide which talks about GPU servers. And I'm going to talk about just the RAM, one parameter, which is RAM. Typically have 64 gigabyte or higher on a GPU. Compare that to your CPU, which is a mobile or a laptop, 4 GB to 8 GB. And these tiny machines, like, Pico Zero or Arduino Nano, or some of these other boards, they have 256K. So you're dropping 64 to 4, which is about 16 times, 15 times one order. And this is going from gigabyte to kilobyte, 6 order right then and there. So the drop of the storage, the compute power in terms of frequency of the processors and GPUs, in terms of flops, is incredible. There is about 10 to the power 10 order, like 10 orders of differences between the GPUs that do some of this machine learning and what we are attempting to do on these tiny machines. And that's why it's challenging.